Well, it's a day. Anyway, it's time to clean this thing out. Get all this stuff organized. Get ready for, you know, actually being able to do projects. It's probably going to take me a couple days, but I figured I'd film it for y'all. Give you little highlights and stuff. Let's get to it. Well, phase one of, I don't know, 320 or so, I'm guessing, is done. This corner's all organized and cleaned out. Got some stuff back where it's supposed to be. Got all my tie straps organized. Gonna get some wraps to go around them. Then they're going back in the crate that they're supposed to be in with the chains and the pulley things. Well, I got a ways to go, but this actually, just a little bit at a time. It's getting dark and I can't see in here. So yeah, I think next I'll tackle this corner, and then I'll just keep working. So I'm gonna stop it right now, and then I'll do some fancy transition thing, like swipe to the right or something. I don't know. Anyway, doing this also makes me just want to sell everything, get rid of it, because it's, But once I'm organized, it'll be good. All right. Transition time. Wait, maybe I need to go faster. Day 2 for me. Half a second for you. And yeah, let's get this corner started. Look at that. I've been looking for these everywhere. Alright, now before I can start filling this corner back up, I need to get kind of the center moved out so I can get the toolbox moved this way, and then I can start putting some stuff in the corner again. But I've always wanted the toolbox right here anyway, so I can just walk in and grab stuff. I have found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's another pair back there. 8 pairs of jumper cables. This one's still in the... Holy crap, man. Alright, so it's looking a heck of a lot better in here. I've got so much more room until I look at this. Oh my god, my head hurts. And then, yeah, so this is next. Actually, next I'm going to go through this paint, see if there's anything good in here. Yeah, that's good. Alright. And then I got it. Anyway, it's getting too dark to film in here, I guess. Alright, it's daylight again for me, and it rained yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but today while I was at work. So I'm glad I keep bringing all the, electrical stuff in, and all the stuff I don't want getting wet. Anyway, I did put this stuff over here. Now, the way I'm going to start on this is I'm actually going to start on that green thing right there. Get it all emptied out, because that's where most of my chemicals go. And then have a bucket here for tools that need to be put away in the drawers later, because I'm going to organize each and every drawer. And then this bucket is for stuff that I'm not sure what it is, but I might need it, so I'm going to save it to the end. If I don't need it by the end, it's going in the garbage / recycling. Alright, I'm going to get started. cool. Rocket Man. You can always use a bunch of rope. Use a lot of this on doing windshields and stuff. This stuff's obviously fairly brand new. And, this thin stuff works good for out in the garage. Thicker stuff you want to use, inside the house for inside activities. Make sure it's soft, doesn't chafe. Cool. Yeah. I don't know if I like that or not. I don't know. I mean, I'm limited on space here, but we're not setting one toolbox on top of another anymore, which is nice. That gives us that gives me a whole nother space for storage. I think I'm gonna leave it for now. Alright, so we got this all done, that's all done, that one's all done. Got a little hole to put some stuff over there. Probably be my traveling bags. Cleaning stuff, and then all my tow stuff like straps and cables. Creeper. This isn't fully fleshed out yet. This stuff's not fleshed out yet, but it's much more organized. Now we got to tackle the big boy, and then we have to do the traveling cases and then put everything that's not in here back in here. Sometimes it's tough working in a tight space, but I mean, if you keep it clean and organized, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, then I got to start using the pegboard a little bit more. Get some stuff hung up. What's that weird little gray spot right there? Alright. On to this thing. God, I don't even know where to start with this thing. I wish this camera would zoom out a little bit. I mean, seems so daunting. Like I gotta go through every drawer. There we go. Let's start with that. Put that right there in the miscellaneous drawer. Alright, we got some momentum. Let's get it done. Alright, switching gears a little bit. The big box is mostly done. I need to go through all my little travel bags and get them squared away. Because a lot of the tools that need to go into the big box are in these little travel cases. It's a little bit clogged. Still good. It's still good. Well, minus the lawnmower and the air compressor, it is done. It's only taken me 4 days. Big reveal. Look at this. Look at all this floor room. Everything up here is organized. All the lids can close. Nothing sitting on top of something else. Everything has a place. I've got so much stuff hung up now. Got my license plate up. I went through every single drawer in every single box, organized it, put things together that are kind of alike. I mean, this one is split up between like measuring stuff and just, this one's kind of miscellaneous. But got all my screwdrivers finally in one drawer. Got all my sockets back in place. All my big sockets. My drivers are all in one place. Well, my drivers and adapters. My metrics all in one place. Got all my electronic testing stuff. Pry bars and hammers. I got this thing back together. And then my 2 sets of wrenches down there. So I'm ready to travel again. Got my lifting equipment and holding up equipment all up in the corner. Cleaning stuff. Got all my chemicals together. That's all the lube and cleaning stuff. This one's pliers, more pliers. So loose wrenches, and then this is all like specialty wrenches. I should actually probably go through this one a little better because there's some nice stuff in here. Like, yeah. Dang it, I already got another project. Should put my double end wrenches together. Anyway. Oh, it's bugging me now. Yeah. Now my double end wrenches and ratchety wrenches, specialty wrenches are all in one drawer. This one should go. There we go. Went through every single one of these drawers. Now everything's in here together, how it's supposed to be. Things that belong together. Everything's organized. I got rid of so much stuff that I've just been carrying for years. Stuff I didn't need, you know. I got my library. I've got more inside, but that's a whole nother project. Got all my fuel hoses in one thing. Brake stuff. This one is all tune-up. You know, broken bolt stuff, brake stuff, and inline wrenches. Because I do way too many brakes. Cleaning stuff. The thing below it is all my towing stuff like straps and cables and chains. Got my tarps back there, extra buckets. This is my hand garden stuff and gloves, floats, electrical cutting majiggy things. I even got all this stuff hung up. Got my come-alongs, got my bungee cords, got my, look at how many jumper cables I have. I had no idea I had that many. I just find them in a car and just throw them in here. Even got fancy one in the bag. Got my electrical stuff. I mean, it's like, I'm ready to work on something. I need something to work on now. Oh, I got my cement creeper. Then I got my dirt creepers next to each other. Got my toilet paper, emergency. I still got room to walk around in here with the mower and the air compressor in here. I don't have to take this stuff out to do stuff. This is crazy. I've never had this much room in here. This is great. This is just super duper. I really hope this motivates you guys, inspires y'all to get your shops cleaned up. You know, getting it all organized. I mean, this makes my hobby so much easier right now. It's going to be so much more fun for me to just come in here, grab the tools, and go out without having to spend forever to search for them. Other than I can't remember where I put anything, but it's going to be a heck of a lot easier to find. Yeah, just, get out there, get in your garage, get in your shop, get in your shed, organize it, and then get out there and work on that, whatever you're working on. I mean, it was a project. It took me 4 days, but it's done. Now just to keep everything organized. And thank you for following along with me. Thank you for watching the channel. If you like this stuff, give me a like, subscribe. I'll keep doing this stuff. I'm gonna keep doing it anyway, but follow along. I do some fun, interesting stuff. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I don't. What do you think? Leave a comment. Also, if you guys want to donate, I've got my PayPal account down in the description of the video. Or at least I should if I remembered to do it. And yeah, I'll take any donation. I mean, even $1. Just give me $1. Got $1, man? That's all I need is $1. Crap. Where'd I put the lock and the keys? Oh, crap. Oh, no.